Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. The OnePlus 7 Pro has a lot to offer for the price that it comes in, but do you know how to make the maximum out of your OnePlus 7 Pro, and do you know the best tips that are out there for it? If you're a bit skeptical about that, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys 10 awesome tips for you to make the maximum out of your OnePlus 7 Pro. In the first tip, let me show you some quick gestures that are available on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So in order to see this, you need to go into settings, buttons and gestures, and under quick gestures you will find a bunch of awesome features that are there, like flip to mute, 3-finger screenshot, answer calls by using the gesture, or double tap to wake. For an example, if you use the 3-finger screenshot, you can use 3 fingers to quickly take a screenshot, or you can make use of flip to mute. So when you're getting a call, you can just flip the phone around and the phone will mute. And also you can answer calls by using the gestures. So when you're getting a call, you can just place your phone near your ear and the call will be automatically answered. So definitely a cool thing you need to enable on your OnePlus 7 Pro. Jumping into the next tip, one of my favorite things about the OnePlus 7 Pro is the 90Hz refresh rate on this awesome display. But do you know that you can actually adjust the refresh rate on the display on the OnePlus 7 Pro? That's right, under the screen refresh rate setting under display, you can do exactly that. As of right now, the OnePlus 7 Pro doesn't really have variable refresh rates, so you can make use of this if you want to save some battery by making use of the 60Hz on the display. So you can go ahead and switch it from here, or you can switch back to the 90 very easily. Did you know that the OnePlus 7 Pro actually has a always on mode built right into the device, and that is called Ambient display that you can enable under display. And if you enable this, you can actually adjust it to have a digital clock or an analog clock along with some icons of the notifications. And not only that, you can also display a message there. So I'm gonna put Andro Dollar over here, and now when I visit the ambient mode, it will show the clock, the date, the battery percentage along with my personal lock screen message. Pretty cool. The indicator for the in-display fingerprint scanner is also there at the bottom, and whenever I have notifications, the notification icon will also be shown here, so that's pretty cool. The next feature is called double tap to wake, and you can make use of this to easily get into your smartphone. So in order to get into your smartphone, all you have to do is just go ahead and double tap on the screen when it's idle, and the pop-up camera will jump up, make use of face unlock and unlock your smartphone, and you're there just like that. It's pretty fast and convenient. So definitely a cool thing you need to enable on your device. In the next tip, let me show you how you can adjust the battery style on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So under the status bar, there are a few options of the battery style shown here, like battery bar, battery circle and battery hidden. So you can pick which one you want. You can also adjust if you want to show the battery percentage, as well as you can enable the network speed. And if you like to see the time including seconds, the OnePlus 7 Pro has that built right into it, and that's something I love to have on my smartphone. If there are any icons here that you don't want to see at the top, let's say the Wi-Fi icon, if you don't want to see that always, you can disable it from here. And it's nice that these features are built right into the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro actually makes use of the pop-up camera for face unlock. There are actually two ways that you can adjust the face unlock. You can actually make the pop-up camera jump up, use face unlock and unlock your device, and it will only let you access the screen when you swipe up. Or you can make it an automatic process where the pop-up camera will jump up, recognize your face, and automatically get into the home screen itself. The OnePlus 7 Pro also has some awesome utility features built right into it. There is a special section under the utilities for OnePlus Laboratory, and here it has a feature called DC dimming that you can enable on your OnePlus 7 Pro if you like. There are also some other features built right into the utilities mode, so definitely check them out and adjust them the way you want. Recent app management is a part of Android and everyone makes use of it, but when you clear your applications, it will normally clear. But OnePlus actually gives you a deep clear option in the OnePlus 7 Pro that you can adjust in the settings if you want, and that will clearly get rid of all the cache as well So that's a great thing that is built right into the OnePlus 7 Pro on Oxygen OS. Previously I showed you how you can adjust the refresh rate on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Not only that, the OnePlus 7 Pro also gives you the option to adjust the resolution, so you can switch between QHD Plus and Full HD Plus, and there is also an auto switch option, so you can use that if you want to give the control to the device to do that. And also the OnePlus 7 Pro has the alert slider, and you can adjust what it does by making use of the alert slider settings under the settings area, so that you can adjust it the way you want on your OnePlus 7 Pro. Well guys, those are some awesome tips for your OnePlus 7 Pro. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description, and stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.